So we are here again in action. Glory, look at me. Those one have already gone. Look at action. Everywhere is full. This is for children. Okay, we are here. Peko. People are actually out. Okay, everyone. Here is Mr. Osige. Help me thank him very, very well. Okay, thank you very well. We are grateful for this Giro today. Look at this place. So. And let's go. Let me make video of you. Go. Can you help me up, Aledia, so that I'll film her? Pass here, pass here. Oh, you carry her?
Come, let's go.
You see children we are talking to now. Alessia, say hello. Alessia, say hello. So we are here. Everywhere is food over here. Now see, Christmas is always like this in our city. Just that now work we no get. For ladies to see work is problem. Weapon. So today I'm going to film action, guys. We are going inside action right now. Okay, here is action, no? Yes. So let's go. Let's go inside the action. Can you see? Everything don't finish. We came late. Oh my God. Everything don't finish. Here it be like table, eh? Don't get it twisted. Okay.
Like that place cost 6 €.
Stay together, girls.
Wait, that place there cost 6 €.
Okay.
This one is just like this, and this one like this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Action. Your hand, Olivia. Here in action. Christmas clothes.
Daddy.
They got you covered, okay? Look at those pots. This pot is kind of cute though. Look at it. 18 euros for the pot. Okay. Can you see this pot? We will come back and discuss it later. Look at the pot. So cute. So I'm taking one, eh? Don't worry, I'll take one. They are very strong. And it's also black. Action is very big. They got you covered over here. Olivia, yeah. Yeah.
What do you want?
Mickey Mouse.
You want it?
So let's move forward, girls. Let's move forward. Everything don't finish for action. Today is my first day of filming this place actually. They sell stuff over here. Christmas stuff. This is cleaning, police. Okay. Article La Casa. This one is house equipment, wherever. Okay. Let's go, Messi. Let's keep moving. Yeah. So oh dear. Today was like bomba in my life. Yeah, this thing is good for camera, being rating, also table. It depends on how do you want. Okay. These are kids stuff. Very cheap. Okay. Look at this. What is inside? An insect for children, okay? Look at this. Yeah. Can you see? Chocolate for children. Chocolate. Okay. Yeah.
Un manager in cassa per un preso.
Yeah. All the jewelries, cheap and affordable, okay? Yeah. supplements for mamas. Okay, come here. Shampoo, deodorant for your armpit to avoid bad smells. Okay. Yeah, her makeups. Okay, cosmetics. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, her this. Those are junky food for children. Okay. This is ketchup. This is noodles. All these children's made there.
Daddy said on Christmas time we can.
Come close to me. Scusate. Ecco. Okay. Yeah. Also, opla. Everything that's finished. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, opla. I need to work for the children. Yeah, it's home decor. I'm uploading this video like this, okay? Not doubting. Echo. Echo. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Ciao.